Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Today, I've got an episode of Try It, Don't Buy It for you. Now, I do a ton of shrinky dinks at my parties, but I like to do themed shrinky dinks. Now, you know, shrinky dinks can be kind of tough if you're like trying to trace and trace and trace, or just let people come up with their own, but sometimes people need inspiration. So they need things that are already pre-printed for them. And you know, it's hard to find all the different things out on the market. So they have come out with this great new product by Grafix, and it is a printable Shrinky Dink paper. Now I get this, and I'll make sure that there's a link down below. I get this online from Amazon, and as you can see, it's Shrink Dink paper, but it's printable. You can run this through your inkjet printer, and you can make any design that you would like, and it comes out like this when you print it on your printer. Then you just cut them out, color them, and I gotta tell you, they work great. So the shrinking ability is awesome. As you can see, you can compare that to that. It shrinks really, really well. It curls up nicely and then opens up nicely. It doesn't get stuck on itself. Here's a couple little examples that I wanted to show you. There's a Smurf, and there's a Shopkins. I don't know if you can see those right there. Here's a rainbow. And you see, you can use these in so many different ways. And just to give you an idea of the size comparison, it goes from here to here. It's a great paper. I love that you can print on it. I love that you can design it any way you want. And I also love that you can buy it in 50-sheet packs. I will give you the link below because in the Try It, Don't Buy It world, if you're looking for Shrinky Dink paper that you can print on yourself, this product is the one that I say definitely try it. For more great ideas, check us out at sophie-world.com.